I admire your loyalty.
I admire your work.
I admire your restraint.
God, I admire you.
I admire your focus! Ah!
I admire you.
And I admire you, Lord Baelish.
I admire you, which is why I want to do you a favor.
I admire you for acknowledging your failure.
Shut it down.
I admire you willing to die for what you believe. But so am I.
We need to take the fight to the enemy before they take the fight to us. I admire your passion, I do.
Thank you.
I admire your bloodthirstitude, Gertie, but you heard them. An asteroid is coming.
Let me tell you something. Haley Dunphy, do you know how much I admire you? Do you? So much!
You know, I admire you, General. How do you keep command of your men amid such madness?
I am a strong man, Paul.
I wish I were more like you.
I admire your lofty aspirations, King Riku. But I suspect they are but clouds of ink hiding the heart of a coward.
I admire your passion. But don't think that you, a woman, even a queen, can walk into the council chamber and sway the minds of men.
I admire your refusal to testify and your loyalty to your partner. I admire you as a policeman, particularly your adherence to violence as a necessary adjunct to the job.
I admire your cowardice, officer.
Thank you.
But I want every boof cop on planet Smeckland searching this city. We need his password, or we will all be destroyed by the Gorg. Find him!